doing a brief overview. So the first set shows vertical angles. Vertical angles are congruent. They expect you to just be able to recognize that and know to set this equal. The first part of the problem or the answer is to just write out the equation. So you would just type this into the box on Alex or a test of some sort. And then to solve for x, you just go through the steps of solving for x. Most of you had this on your paper, so I'm just going to go through it quickly. X equals 6. You got 6 here. Okay, then over here, these two angles are complementary. We know that because of this little box right here. That means that these two angles add to 90 degrees. So to set this up, measure angle 1, which is 5x plus x minus 12 equals 90. And then we can solve for x. Combine your like terms. 6x equals 102. Divide by 6, and x equals 17. But it's not asking for x, it's asking for the measure of angle 1 and 2. So for this, you would just plug it into the expression that they gave you. Measure angle 1 is 5x, so 5 times 17. Measure angle 1 equals 85. Then for measure angle 2, you could do 90 minus 85, since the two angles do add to 90, and that will give you 5 degrees. The other way you could do it is to just plug it into the equation they gave you, and it'll come out to 5. Okay, next, this one is just building on the other two skills. Here it shows a linear pair, two angles that come together to form a straight line. That means that those two angles add up to 180 degrees. So the equation for this would be this plus this equals 180. So 5x plus x plus 18 equals 180. And then we need to solve that for x to get to the next step. So I'm just going to write that out off to the side as well. Again, going through this quickly because a lot of you had it on your paper already. By 6, I saw a lot of you got x equals 27. The fact that you got that far is an accomplishment in itself. Good job. Then from here, we need to plug it into those equations they gave us. 5x, so 5 times 27, which comes out to 135 degrees. Is that correct? Yeah, okay, 135. And then for the next one, you can do 180 minus 135 to get 45. Or you could use the expression they gave you, x plus 18. 27 plus 18 gives you 45. But regardless, 45 degrees goes right there. Oh, I didn't realize that wasn't in the screen. Okay, then I end my recording.